birthday. I hope you have a great day today. And always remember na we, your friends, are here always. I love you, Red. Happy birthday.
Brand new colors like I haven't seen, because I'm with you.
My name is Bogart Dexter Valmonte. Happy birthday, Red Bustamante. Thank you.
Hi Red! Happy birthday! This is the first time na magkikita tayo. Ayun, sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at galingan mo palagi sa pag-aaral mo. And ayun, happy birthday! Enjoy your day. Love you!
'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this.
Happy birthday, Red!
It's never felt quite like
Happy birthday
this.
sa'yo. Alam kong hindi mo in-expect na birthday mo. Pero ayun nga, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo na yung mga sasabihin ko sa'yo. Kasi nandyan ka palagi para sa akin pag down na down
No
ako.
words can't ever quite explain what emotions do, like the feelings do. Right now, I'm feeling something. Right now, it's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this.
Surprise ka ba, Nak? Sana itong birthday mo na to, lalo ka pang lumaki sa industriya. Basta anak, I love you so much and magpapasalamat kami dahil napakabait mong tao, napakabait mong anak, napakabait mong friend. Thank you, anak, and happy birthday!
It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.
Red, happy birthday. This one is very meaningful. Not only for you, but for your family, for your friends. Most especially for us, your Pepsi Paloma family. Like to extend our warmest gratitude for accepting the role, no matter how controversial it is. Alam mo naman, medyo may pinagdadaanan. Ako lang. Pero sa ganun pa man, ay gusto kong batiin ka ng maligayang kaarawan. Ang lahat ng paparating na tagumpay ay karapat-dapat sa iyo sapagkat mabuti kang anak, kapatid at higit sa lahat, isa kang napaka-talented na artista. Maligayang kaarawan.
It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.